We've developed WELDEMOTO, a remote PC-controlled welding robot system. This system consists of a robotic arm, a PC, and around 10 cameras. The PC workstation features a simulation interface on the left, a live camera feed on the right, and a combined view in the center. Operation is incredibly simple. Just drag and drop in the simulation software on the left. Then press the execute button. The robot will follow the simulated motion in real time. With this system, even users who are unfamiliar with on-site work can quickly acquire welding skills. It's also compatible with various robot brands, so the control method remains consistent no matter the manufacturer. And with a stable internet connection, remote welding is possible from your home or office.